All right, we're back. Okay, so now the quiche is done, and it had the kale and tomatoes with the Swiss cheese. It looks really nice, and so I decorated it. Just a little bit of greenery up on the top of it, you know, and then to get that out, let's see how it tastes. It's still kind of very warm, but that's okay. Let's see how it is. Put quite a bit of Swiss cheese in there. Oh, it's still pretty steamy. Mmm. 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 The kale is very nice in it. Mmm. And all that onions, oh yeah. And that little bit of garlic. Oh, this is really good, really good. And it's simple to make. And you guys, you can make the little cups. So if you're working, what you would do is you'd make it and make like the little muffin. I call them egg cups. And make the little egg cups and then get like a square container. Once they cool down, you can take them out of the muffin pan. Then you would take in and you would put them in a like a Tupperware container or an ice cream bucket if you don't have a Tupperware container, an empty ice cream bucket. And you would stack them, put some parchment paper between them, stack it, put the lid on it, and put it in your freezer. And then when you get up in the morning, you need to go to work, you just pull one or two of them out. And usually I would just put them in for a minute and they were just perfectly fine. And they last. And that, I mean, we had them, well, they didn't last that much with us because we were going through so many of them because of a big family. But at home, they will last a good month or so, you know, just like at the frozen food at the grocery store and stuff. This is really good. Boy. So, if you guys like this video today, please give me a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Thank you guys so much. I've enjoyed you watching my video today. Bye now.